Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX and Ryzen 7 7800X3D Starfield limited edition graphics card. So friend, the special variant of the Ryzen 7 7800 X3D CPU is also being introduced with an elaborate black and white packaging, although no alternation to the CPU itself are anticipated. And friend, the Starfield edition CPU and GPUs will be given away exclusively during QuakeCon. So if you are interested in winning one of these cards, follow AMD and Bethesda account for more information. Worth noticing, akin to prior collaborative interview, AMD presented a special edition associated with Halo Infinite in form of the Radeon RX 6900 XT GPU 2 years ago. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.